Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the recommended app and importing your high-resolution photo right away. Use an AI auto mask if available to speed things up, because it isolates edges faster than manual tracing. Once done, check and enable transparent background export so you can place the subject on any new backdrop. Make sure the app's quality setting is at maximum. Lower quality creates halos and jagged edges, so increasing resolution preserves fine hair and texture during background removal. You now refine the mask with precise tools. Zoom in to about 200% and toggle the refine brush over hairlines and complex edges. This reduces hard cutouts and creates a natural blend. When you encounter stray pixels, alternate between add and subtract brushes. This clears halos without losing subject detail. Once happy, apply a small feather of about 0.5 to 3 pixels to soften the transition. This reduces the cutout look while preserving crispness. Save intermediary versions so you finish by placing the masked subject onto your chosen background, matching lighting direction and color temperature so it looks realistic. Use a subtle drop shadow and color match or selective color adjustments to integrate tones, reduce opacity, or add a gentle Gaussian blur to the background if depth looks off. When satisfied, export as PNG for single images or a layered file for further edits. If edges still look unnatural, rerun the mask with tighter settings or fix spots manually using the brush tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.